For lesson 3, we are going to be putting the holes at the intersections at the 120 degrees. So what we want to do, we've already made the angles, so this is actually very easy. Then all we want to do is go to that intersection and then type in 1 inch for the diameter. And now you could rotate this, and I'll do the same as we did with the other ones. And so I'll go ahead and type in rotate, and I'm going to rotate this around the center, and then these are all at 120 degrees, so type in 120 degrees, and that actually goes counterclockwise, and I could do the same again. Select the circle after I type in rotate. Base point is at 0, 0, press enter. 120 degrees again, copy it, and type in 120, and you should have the 3 holes. Alright, so if you look at the drawing, you have essentially made all the parts for this. So what we need to do is dimension this circle, and because that says typical, we know that we don't need to dimension the other 2 holes. However, if you notice that they're center lines from the textbook, so we're going to have to do the same and change that, the line styles here. Right? So I'll go to line type, and I need to load the center lines, so I'll scroll down and I'll just grab both the center and the center 2, just a little different scale, and I'll say OK. And then what I do is I select the line that I want to do. So I'll go ahead and select the lines that I want to do, and there's the crosshairs, and there's actually the angle, and then there's the circle. So we're going to do all those, and then I can either right click and hit properties, or I go up to the modify and hit properties. And then what I'm going to do is search for the line type, and it should be there loaded, and you can try whichever one you think looks best that matches the textbook, and you can see the difference. Either one is actually fine. All right. Okay, so far so good. Now I do need to make the part lines larger, so I'm going to select all the part lines. I'm going to change the line weight. Now we don't want to do that center indicator, but we're going to do all the part lines here. And then we'll go for the line weight. And so typically this won't show up right away, so what you'll need to do is go to the bottom, and you see the horizontal bar, which if you have it selected here in line type, and so I'm going to select this horizontal bar on the bottom, and that'll show it for us. Now sometimes when you're working in CAD you don't want to see that, it's in the way, but when we print it we definitely want to see it. Okay, so now what I need to do is finish this lesson, and then we'll put our name and print it out.